Welcome to the digital age, where marketing isn't just on billboards and TV, it's right in the palm of your hand. Today, we're diving into the basics of digital marketing and how you can use it to grow your business or personal brand. 1. What is digital marketing? A split screen showing traditional marketing methods, billboards, flyers versus modern digital platforms, social media, search engines. So, what is digital marketing? It's the promotion of your products or services through online channels like websites, social media, email, and even Google search. And the best part, you can reach millions of people right where they spend their time. 2. The key components of digital marketing. A flowchart highlighting the core aspects of digital marketing: social media, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, and paid ads. Let's break it down into 5 key components. Social media marketing, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, and paid ads. Each of these has a specific role in attracting, engaging, and converting your audience. Ready to explore each one? 3. Social media marketing, Instagram posts, Facebook ads, TikTok videos, and LinkedIn posts. First up, social media marketing. Whether it's Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or TikTok, social media lets you connect directly with your audience. The key here is to post consistently and engage with your followers through comments, likes, and messages. And don't forget, each platform has a unique vibe, so tailor your content to fit. First up, social media marketing. Whether it's Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or TikTok, social media lets you connect directly with your audience. The key here is to post consistently and engage with your followers through comments, likes, and messages. And don't forget, each platform has a unique vibe, so tailor your content to fit.
Title: The Freelancer's Journey. Scene 1. Introduction. Scene opens with a dimly lit room where a person is sitting at a desk, typing on a laptop. The soft glow of the computer screen illuminates their face. They look focused but calm, sipping coffee occasionally. Narrator VO. Freelancing, a dream for many. The freedom to choose your work, set your own hours, and be your own boss. But is it all that simple? Cut to a shot of a clock ticking, symbolizing time passing. Narrator VO. The truth is, freelancing is a journey, one filled with challenges, opportunities, and self-discovery. Scene 2. The beginning. Flashback to the freelancer's first day. They're sitting at the same desk, now a bit cluttered, looking at an empty inbox. They click refresh, nervously waiting for responses from potential clients. Freelancer in a monologue. Where do I start? How do I find clients? What if no one wants to hire me? Cut to shots of the freelancer, creating profiles on various platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. They struggle with setting rates and finding their niche. Narrator VO. In the beginning, every freelancer faces uncertainty. Finding clients, setting competitive rates, and deciding what skills to offer, it's overwhelming. Quick cuts to rejected emails and declined job proposals. Scene 3. First client. The freelancer finally gets their first email response. A wide smile appears on their face as they begin their first project. Freelancer to themselves. I did it, my first client. Cut to the freelancer working late into the night, researching, designing, and perfecting the project. Narrator VO. Landing that first client is a major milestone, but it's only the beginning. Delivering high-quality work on time, managing expectations, and building trust are key to success. Scene 4. The hustle. The freelancer's desk is now filled with projects. They're answering emails, taking calls, and juggling multiple deadlines. Narrator VO. As work picks up, so does the hustle. Freelancing demands discipline, organization, and the ability to wear many hats: marketing, sales, project management, and of course, the actual work. Cut to a split screenshot. On one side, the freelancer is sending invoices and managing finances. On the other, they're sketching new ideas for a project. Scene 5. The challenges. The freelancer faces setbacks. A client refuses to pay. Another demands endless revisions, and burnout begins to creep in. Freelancer to themselves. How do I handle this? I can't keep working like this. Shot of the freelancer reading online forums, seeking advice from experienced freelancers. Narrator VO. Freelancing isn't without its challenges. Late payments, difficult clients, and balancing work-life boundaries can take a toll. But resilience and adaptability, what separate those who thrive from those who give up? Thank you for watching.